In this tutorial, you will learn how to check the significance of a predictor variable on an outcome variable using Excel 2016. This video assumes you've already used the data analysis tool pack to create the regression output. Please see the previous videos for how to conduct this part of the analysis. Looking at our variable funny, which was our independent variable here, you can see that the coefficient value represented in this table is the same as what was created when we did our Excel video to get the linear model on our scatter plot. Going back to our table, you can see that Excel has provided us with a t-statistic and a p-value for this coefficient. This p-value is less than 0.05. Therefore, we can conclude that funny is a significant predictor of happiness. We interpret this coefficient just as we have before, where we say that for a 1-point increase in funny, there is a 0.04 point increase in happiness on average.